How to see recently unblocked friends on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your recently unblocked friends on Facebook. For that, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type facebook.com. Once you type in this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. You will reach to the official website of Facebook. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, to demonstrate how you can see recently unblocked friends on Facebook, let's go through the process of unblocking a friend. For that, you will need to click on your profile icon at the top right and from here expand this settings and privacy. There you will find settings option. Click on it and you will be taken to the settings page. Here click on this cross button to remove this pop-up window. At the left side you will find some options. Scroll down and under audience and visibility you will find blocking option. Click on it. Here you will find all the blocking tools. Here click on this edit option at the right side of the block users option. Once you click on it, click on this see your blocked list from this pop-up window. Once you click on it, you will see the list of friends whom you just blocked. Now to unblock this friend, tap on this unblock option next to their name and confirm the action by tapping on this confirm button. Also note that once you unblock someone, they will no longer be on your friends list. Now when you go to your friends list, use the search bar here and type in the name of the friend you just unblocked. You will notice that the person is no longer listed as your friend. And when you open their profile, if you are using your mobile device, instead you will see an add friend button near to their name indicating that you need to send them a new friend request to reestablish the connection. So by following these steps, you can easily manage your blocked and unblocked friends on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.